Hi folks, Larry here, and welcome back to another fantastic mail call. You never know what I'm going to show, you never know how I'm going to act, you never know what the heck I'm going to do. I'm going to pow, blow up, right? So, I'm talking to each and every one of you individually. So get those eyes focused on me. Because what you want to see is this mail call that I took out of the box because I couldn't wait anymore and I had to open it. You know how that is, right? Well, this is not my pen yet. This is Mr. Announcer's pen. And this pen actually blew me away because it's the same pen that I was looking at. So we're both on that same page, page 1. Beep, 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 beep. So,
mark your calendars. He likes a pen that I bought.
Yes, I do like it. Yep. Very interesting pen. I'll just show you the pen. And then wait for that upcoming review. Okay? Here we go. It comes in this pouch, as you see here, in a bag. And that's it. And this pouch is a thicker pen pouch that I've seen. And it comes from China. And Mr. Announcer, would you be kind enough to present this pen? It is the...
This is called the Fullerton Egypt pen.
Now...
You can see the hieroglyphics that are engraved on it.
Can you see it real good on there?
Yes.
I want you to see this whole pen. It is remarkable. This is some incredible work done on here.
That's all etched into the surface. It's not printing or anything.
One can say what they want, but the pen maker here has done an extremely well job of putting this all together. All right, folks, that's all I'm going to say for now. Until my next mail call, which will be, who knows, I will see you soon. Peace and love, and don't text and drive. Bye-bye.